all stand up for President and Indian national anthem and the rest of the House Minister Dalai Lama Big School Band.
Suke Chino Kosagamwe Chibochogi, Kuba Tonde Ribocher, Kujawi do Pivetone, Tarin Diga Shiji Tokan Chime Nando, Chino Kosagamwe Chibocho, Gonda Guju Shebe, Shundegi Zewoto, Chipukawe, and Captain K Riboche number town. Ani anda pande study chochoge kuchap ani nanchoge anda de ya kunde so honorable chief guest Shri Arpali Shivaram Haparji MLA Yalabu and respected special guest Madam Lakshmi Priya Ji DC and District Magistrate of Karwar and special guest Shri Shankar Kawade Ji Tisridhar Mankot and Shri Ranganath Nilam Nawarji, Police Inspector Mankot Taluk, and distinguished dignitaries from various departments and office. Sheyani Hajostane ki shunde, ta shunde mayimbe legi nemo, walhenge tha miman tha lotu number chela, ne thoma mongo duguling sane gunzi legongi chap shude. To sempe ngane chamar gasuda chamje tashtele shuata dra pande kashagi tamshe dojan shuchoba. It is with profound joy, humility and reverence that we gather here today to celebrate an extraordinary milestone, the 90th birthday of His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. A truly historic and momentous occasion for Tibetans. His message of happiness arises from cultivating compassion, love and wisdom. His life and teachings continue to inspire millions, reminding us all to live with kindness and deep sense of responsibility to all beings. Let this compassionate year be more than a title. Let it be a transformation in our homes, in our communities, and in our hearts. We are greatly honored to have our chief guests and special guests and other dignitaries from various departments and offices. To DC Madam, we extend a heartfelt welcomes as this is your first visit to our Tibetan settlement here in Mankot, and that too we are with family. We are truly delighted to have you among us. And we thank you to our special guests and all the guests from various departments and other esteemed dignitaries who have taken time from your busy schedules to join us on this official celebration of His Holiness 90th birthday. Happy 90th birthday to His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. Once again, thank you all for being here and making this special occasion truly memorable. Thank you so much.
Kui chunga ki nimolya chipchu changbe kundun so ngana de jaga ki kumba shivra ma hebar MLA choda mise kundu Srimati Lakshmi Priya Deputy Commissioner Karwar cho tene sane gunzi cho tene rande so cho tene nyamde so cho ane de kerm che number re ana shi gegwe number re Jimmy Chang's number Shea, Mimare, Tana, she looked to Samalolia, Terengi, Kui, Tunga, Mudelia, Maran Gag, when the red, Dine, Sunday to me, young is up, shoot, somebody touched the last year. Children was done with Chimbu, Kondam Gupjula, Peva, Kui, Tunga, Zeguni, Pemi, Machidu, hands of Sungshe. Haji Sishizugi, Pegi, Lagi Cheresi, one me, Kusu, Chimba. Kamsun Chugi Jabo, Chide Shide Debe, Sade Jade Yongso Gingata, Femi Yongi Gunjab, Lana Mebu Uti,
Chakaru, Mundugodella Pura Vidhan Sabha Kshetra, Shri Shivaram Hebbar Avaru, respected settlement officer, all the dignitaries, distinguished guests, my dear brothers and sisters, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಕಿರಿಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. It is indeed a matter of great honor and privilege for me to stand here on the 14th Dalai Lama's birthday, and it is a privilege for all the officers here to be present here and share this moment of joy with all of you. We have few settlements here in Karnataka, Mundugod being one of the largest settlements of Tibetan people here in Karnataka. 9 years before, I joined this cadre into this service, and I had the opportunity to work in Mysore. So I have visited the Bailkuppe settlement, interacted with the settlement officer there. I had the opportunity to contribute in at least a little way to the people, to share their thoughts and develop and work for their commitment. And here again in this district as the Deputy Commissioner, again I have got this opportunity to coexist and work for the community. Today on his birthday, it is important for all of us to remember and reiterate all his thoughts and contributions to the society. His Holiness has not only been a spiritual guide for the Tibetan people, but also as a global messenger of non-violence, harmony and kindness. His teachings remind us that the values of humanity, kindness and empathy is very important, and that we share all of it together and coexist. The Tibetan settlement here in Mundugod, the mini Tibet of South India, is a shining example of culture, faith and community spirit. The district administration deeply admires how the settlement has preserved the rich heritage of the Tibetan tradition while also contributing meaningfully to the society and economy of Uttara Kannada and to Karnataka at large. I wish to place my appreciation for the settlement officer for all the efforts in education, agriculture, handicraft, monastic learnings and as well as community welfare in large. Today I am very happy to share that today marks 1 year of my service in Uttara Kannada. 1 year before, on the same day, I joined here as the Deputy Commissioner, and I am very happy that I am sharing this day with all of you here. It is a very beautiful district. We have a large coastline, 160 kilometers long coastline. We have 12 taluks. We share a lush green forest. 80% of the district is forest. We have India's largest naval base, Asia's largest naval base here in Karwar. We have a nuclear power plant in Karwar. We have 6 to 7 dams which generate power for the entire country here in Karwar. So it is a very beautiful district. We should all be very happy and fortunate that we are here and we are sharing this land. I would like to assure to the settlement officer and to all of you present here that the district administration will stand by all of you in whatever endeavors that you do, be it education, be it your cultural heritage, be it your community, your social development, be it anything that you do, the district administration will always stand by you. Any issues with respect to infrastructure, road, electricity, water connectivity, if anything is there, please let us know and we'll be ready to support. And I was just speaking with MLA sir, and sir was telling me that the infrastructure here, the education system here, the culture, the hospital, the medical facilities, everything has been wonderfully maintained, and all credits to the settlement officer and all the officials who are present here. I once again convey my heartfelt birthday wishes to His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and let us all pray for his long life and health. And as it is written here, the best gift anybody can give him on his birthday is that we all do some kind work to the society, and let us all pray that God give us the opportunity to do some good work for the society. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ Honorable Lamaji. Chief guest, our Deputy Commissioner Lakshmi Priya Madam, for the chairman of this institution and all of chief guests in our taluk and district, all district officer. I am very happy. Dalai Lama birthday. I am coming this ceremony. It's my pleasure in my life. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. अब जो कर्नाटक में दलाई लामा जी का बर्थडे हम फेस कर रहे हैं, दलाई लामा इज ए बिग विजनर, शांति दूत, in a big award, Nobel Award in world 1989. This award given to Dalai Lama ji. 75 years. Lama pray to all our, to only not Tibetans people, all peoples. Lama, a lot of time, 2 times, 3 times I met in Lama. मैं तो अभी बता रहा था मेरा डिप्टी कमिश्नर को, Lama is a very big man. Not only Tibet, all over the world. Lama is a big business. And Lama is a very big man in our world. अंतर पुण्य दिवसा आज हम लोग सब मिलके शांति दूत का 100 years ago लामा जी सबका साथ रहना चाहिए, उसका आशीर्वाद मिलना चाहिए, उसके साथ हम रहना चाहिए. कभी कभी मुंडगोड़ को आता है, मैं कभी आता है तभी हम लामा जी को मुलाकात कर रहे, उसका आशीर्वाद ले रहे. उसका आशीर्वाद से बदले मैं भी 4 टाइम विधायक बन गया, मिनिस्टर बन गया. लामा जी का आशीर्वाद मिला. आपको सबको धन्यवाद. वंस अगेन एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे मिस्टर लामा जी.
show.